All right, what's going on this cold and windy day there? So what we're doing today, since it's cold out, we're going to try Steve-O's window washing fluid trick. Use this as your water, your main source. A little bit of soap, just a little bit. And then we'll use this here. Pour that in there. And this will be our solution for today. Keeps the water from freezing on the window. When it's cold, you still have work to do. Got to get it done. So I got this at Walmart. They were $3 a piece. So let's check it out. Badass. That's sweet. So, all in all, this is a very short video, but we didn't, when the water was really cold, obviously we're in Texas, it's not as cold as it was earlier this morning when it was dark and it was in the low 20s. But as far as I could say for this setup, keeping the water from freezing, we need to get the windows done. It's an absolute win. Steve-O, once again, gave us the information that we need to keep on rolling. I know Texas is not as cold as most of you guys out there, but hey man, give it a shot. Instead of putting just straight alcohol in it like I have done before, this is absolutely it. It does create a little extra drag, but that's what you're just gonna have to deal with that. So once again, thanks Steve-O, and I appreciate all you guys watching. Just about 600 subscribers, so appreciate you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. On to the next one.